So go ahead, squat down, pick up the dumbbells you're going to use. What I want you to do, hip, knee, ankle, feet lined up perfectly. Shoulders back and down. If you have a tight back, then I don't mind if you go slightly wider, okay? But if you don't have a tight back, then bring it in, keep it nice and straight, everything lined up. The thing with squats, you have to be very careful you don't hurt your back or your knees. So you got to pay big time attention of what you're doing. Hold those dumbbells nice and tight, shoulders are back and down, stick your butt all the way out, drive it back. Breathe in on the way down, go down to a 90-degree angle, right there, bam. Then push with your heels and come straight up. If you push with your toes, what's going to happen is you're going to put all the pressure in your knees. We don't want that. We want the pressure in your heels, so the pressure goes in your quads, your butt, your hamstring, and everything gets worked nice and hard. Go ahead, show us a few more. Breathe in on the way down, blow out on the way up, stick that butt out even more. I want to see it popping all the way out. The second your knees pass your toe, that's when you stop. If your knee comes down and passes the toe, it's putting pressure on the knee. We don't want that. So if you see that, then go less down till you become a little more of a flexible person and get better at it. But keep your chest up and look up. So right there, bam, and come back up and push through the heels. Look at how far he's going down, right there, and his knee isn't passing his toe. It's like right about to. That's why he's stopping there. You don't want to injure that knee. Let your arms hang by the side of you. Don't put it in front of you. It'll put pressure on your back. Just hang naturally, right on your side. Look at how he's keeping his chest up all the way. His back is nice and straight. He's not going to injure it. The second you bend forward a little, bam, something will pop out, hurt your back. You'll end up at the chiropractor. We don't want that. So those are squats with dumbbells. Now, if you're going to do squats with your hands straight, if that's what's in your routines, all you do is the same exact thing, but put your hands nice and straight in front of you. Go ahead and show them a few. Beautiful. If you're on the prison squat, all you're going to do is put your hands behind your neck. Show them that. Beautiful. Lace your fingers. Keep your arms back. Show them a few reps. Perfect. Now, if you're on the squats on a bench, then all you're going to do is put a bench right behind your butt. This is more in the beginner stages so you don't hurt yourself. That way you know how far down to go. If you fall, you'll fall right on a bench and you'll be comfortable. So you line up in front of the bench. Good. You just go down and tap your butt on the bench. Perfect. And you come back up. Your hands, put them on your hips. If you're on the squats to hold something, all you do is walk up to a bar or even a bench. Get behind it and hit your squats. Watch this. So step back here. I'm going to move this bench so we get a nice view for you. Line up your feet and hold on to the top of that bench. Hip, knee, ankle lined up. Go ahead and hold on to the bench. Shoulders back and down. Go ahead and squat down. Perfect. Come down to where you're comfortable. Push through your heels and come all the way up. Breathing in on the way down, blowing out on the way up.